morning. Thought I might try and shoot a video this morning. Haven't done this in a while, so today I'm just gonna use, I'm so out of breath, 30 weeks pregnant, here we go. A 1¼ inch GHD, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of wave in it, so like nothing crazy. Air dried hair. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on it, and I'm using Living Proof Instant Protect. I'm gonna clip this section up here. I'll get it all the way so y'all can see. Pull these two to the front. And then I'm just gonna create bends in my hair. So we're gonna do one here. So you hold this up, you bend it and then just hold this up over it. Take it out and then you'll see where it's at. And I'm just gonna do another bend here. And I think I'm just going to do 3, maybe, depending on how long your hair is. I'm gonna follow the same pattern on this side since I have about the same amount of hair over here. So 1, okay, so I'm just creating a bend. Put a little bit of hairspray on it. And this is just the hairspray I picked up when I was at the store, KMS. It's kind of a stronghold. Well, it says medium, but I think it's strong. Okay, and then I'm going to do the top section and a clip up here. I'm gonna grab this and flip this to the back because I know I'm done with that. And then split this into 2. And I'm actually gonna start in the back this time with these. And I'm gonna do 3 bends in this hair. Probably gonna do at least 3 from here on up just because this part of your hair is longer than the bottom. Because it has more room to go down, if that makes sense. So my hair is pretty straight, as you can tell when it just dries by itself. So I'm just trying to create some kind of texture in here just to make it look a little bit beachy, textured, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not doing anything to the ends. If your ends were frizzy or not straight, you could, after this, either take your iron and just like smooth down over them, just like that. Spray this side. See, so it already looks kind of just textured. This side is really awkward for me, so you're gonna have one awkward side. And the last section. On the top, I am going to do smaller sections just so I can get a little bit more defined wave, and I'm wrapping it around 1 full time, letting go, let this cool down while you wrap this one. If you have shorter hair, you might not be able to wrap it, so that's totally fine. It's really good. I want you to be able to see like when I brush it out, what it does and everything, and how I end up actually styling it. Because sometimes you just have like really crazy pieces like that. There we go, that's better. Okay, so I might just have to wave and curl some pieces if you feel like, oh, that does not look cute like that. Okay. I'm gonna tease pretty big back here. Okay. And then I'm just gonna run my hands through it. Put some more hairspray over here. I'm also gonna take this Oribe product. It is a dry texture, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of that. I might maybe give it some more texture. But there you go. All right, I hope